In this video, we're going to show you the most ingenious factory-level heavy machinery you've never seen before. These cutting-edge systems are designed to efficiently sort, pack, and label apples with precision and speed. Butter, made from natural ingredients like cream, boasts a rich flavor and creamy texture that margarine often struggles to replicate. Beyond taste, butter is also a good source of essential nutrients, while margarine may offer lower cholesterol and saturated fat content. Recent studies suggest that the natural fats in butter. Next time you're enjoying a tasty wrap, don't forget us who showed you some valuable content, isn't it? What sets these machines apart is their ability to handle intricate designs and decorations, from simple patterns to elaborate motifs, with ease and accuracy. Chunk meat is perfect for hearty dishes like stews, soups, and hot pots, where it adds texture and depth of flavor. Providing important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are crucial for energy metabolism, immune function, and overall health. It all starts with high-quality milk, which undergoes pasteurization to eliminate harmful bacteria. Next, enzymes and cultures are added to the milk, kick-starting the fermentation process that transforms it into curds and whey. Each bite is a symphony of sweetness, as the moist cake crumbles delicately against your palate. But it's not just about the taste. Soft cupcakes are also a canvas for creativity, with endless flavor combinations and decorative possibilities. A barbecue is your secret weapon for feeding a crowd with ease. With its large cooking surface and adjustable heat settings, you can grill up a feast of burgers, hot dogs, kebabs, and veggies to satisfy guests of all tastes. Whether it's a bustling marketplace or a local grocery store. With no pits to contend with, enjoying seedless cherries becomes a hassle-free experience, perfect for on-the-go munching or adding to salads and desserts without any extra prep work. Plus, for parents with young children or anyone looking to enjoy cherries without the mess, seedless varieties are a game-changer. These little gems are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. It has an abundance of vitamin C that helps stimulate collagen production, promoting elasticity and reducing signs of aging. The beauty of pouches lies in their portability and versatility. They're lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making them perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Contrary to common belief, modern chicken meat handling factories aren't necessarily smelly. Moreover, some factories invest in odor-neutralizing technologies to further reduce any lingering smells. A bite into one of these donuts unleashes a decadent explosion of flavor that satisfies even the most discerning sweet tooth. Firstly, while it's possible to slice meat at home using a sharp knife and steady hand, mutton lovers praise its rich, gamey flavor and tender texture, while beef lovers swear by its hearty taste and versatility in dishes. So, it's hard to tell what people like the most. From classic meatballs and flavorful burgers to hearty spaghetti bolognese and savory shepherd's pie, minced meat is a kitchen staple that knows no bounds. Orange carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for eye health and immune function. On the other hand, red carrots contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers and promote heart health. Ultimately, both varieties offer unique health benefits, so incorporating a variety of colored carrots into your diet ensures a diverse array of nutrients. It's undeniable, boneless cuts are a favorite among many for their convenience and versatility. Not having to navigate around bones means less mess on the plate and more straightforward cooking techniques. Using a combination of sensors, actuators, and algorithms, they can adapt to various shapes, sizes, and weights, making them crucial in manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare settings. On average, Americans consume around 3 to 4 sausages per person per week, making it a popular choice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these. Do the drill and smash the like button. From snowflakes and reindeer to Santa Claus and gingerbread houses, creativity knows no bounds when it comes to decorating Christmas cookies. Can you name the fastest meat slicer in the world? Typically, tomatoes are summer crops, flourishing during the warmer months when temperatures are consistently above 10 degrees centigrade. These ingenious devices are designed to ensure a steady and controlled flow of liquids, minimizing waste and maximizing accuracy in various industrial processes. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E and B, omega-3 fatty acids, and biotin, nuts offer a powerful boost to overall hair, skin, and nail health. Vitamin E in nuts promotes scalp circulation, aiding in hair growth and preventing hair loss. Using advanced technology and algorithms, multi-head weighers distribute items evenly across multiple scales, achieving consistent weights for each package. With each crunchy bite, you're greeted by a rich, nutty flavor that's both satisfying and addictive. Whether enjoyed on their own as a wholesome snack or incorporated into your favorite recipes, roasted hazelnuts add a delightful crunch and depth of flavor that elevate any dish. Some may opt for the refreshing fizz of carbonated drinks, while others lean towards the natural goodness of freshly squeezed juices. Whether it's the zingy flavors of soda or the nutritious blend of fruits and vegetables in juice, each option offers its own unique appeal. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. When we consume sweets, particularly those high in sugar and fat, these bite-sized snacks are popping up on shelves everywhere, captivating taste buds with their irresistible flavor and texture. Air-fried chips are cooked using hot air circulation, resulting in a crisp exterior with significantly less oil absorption compared to traditional frying methods. These units are like the first line of defense against contaminants, thoroughly cleansing fruits, vegetables, and other raw ingredients before they're processed or consumed. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.